Hey everybody and welcome to this car. Today we're tackling the ceiling situation that we discovered last video. So glad, look at this!
Whoa! Leute!
Okay, instead of reconstructing the ceiling exactly like it was, I decided to build a secondary construction in between the steel beams out of wood, so we can then build everything ourselves. Because if we were to pour another foundation with concrete, I would need a company. It all, I don't know, takes time, and I think we can just make it out of wood. And yes, I talked to an architect about it, so it's safe. Zu klemmen. Ding dong.
Richtig was getan vor Mittagessen.
Ja, geil. Komm, Pause. Ja, das brauche ich alles ganz dringend.
Hier, dann nimm mit Eisen.
Krass. Geil, die sind mega schön. Das ist mal wieder Quality Content von unserer Seite.
Okay, ihr wolltet Haus, kriegt ihr Haus.
Fertig ist der Boden, so schnell geht's.
Okay, ich dachte, du wirfst den jetzt. Dankeschön. Okay, so what we need to do now, because I want to have a secondary layer of wooden beams in between the steel beams. So now we need to get rid of those stones so we can fit another layer. It's the same thickness. It's also 16 centimeters. So we need to make room 16 centimeters so it's all one level. Schnur.
Oh, jetzt ist dunkel im Keller.
Das letzte, was hier funktioniert.
Ein Stück Holz ohne Ameisen.
Ja, das einzige hier aus dem ganzen Haus. Ja, ja. Okay, let's get the length. We can just use a piece of string because I don't have a tape measure that long. And then we can cut, maybe start with one. Just cut one and see if it fits. Das ist ja so richtig Teambuilding hier, ne? Geil, Junge. Hammer. Okay. Okay, so the challenge right now is to have all of the beams that we add to the steel beams on the same level, because obviously the floor needs to be level. And we don't even know if the steel beams are on the same level. Don't have a laser, we do have a string, so let's try to figure this out. And another thing that's very annoying is that the beams are super crooked. They have a lot of twist in them, but I also don't want to delay this any further. I just want to work with what we have so we can finally make some progress. Okay, let's see if the beams are level. Okay. Hier so sitzt, ist perfekt. Ja.
Hi.
Die liegen auch alle anders, ne? 88. Hast du es gesehen?
Drauflegen direkt?
Ja.
Sauber. Okay, richtig geile Mucke und geile Bildmontage.
Geil.
Let's go. So geht das richtig, Leute. Falls ihr euch jemals gefragt habt, oder?
Weiß ich nicht.
Letzter Balken.
Okay, so all the beams are in place now, and the only thing I want to make sure before we move on is to kind of keep them where they are. And I think we can just use the leftover stones and some mortar to make sure they don't tip over. So we need to buy some mortar. Dankeschön. Wir rollen. Handbremse. Ich dachte, du hättest vielleicht schon eingeholt.
Nee.
Glaube ich gut, oder?
Träumchen.
Ja. Geil. Geil. I'm so glad we did this, and I'm so glad the turnaround was so quick, because usually the problems in the house are so severe that it takes us weeks or even months to repair stuff. And this was finally one of those things that, I don't know, we started last week. This week it's kind of fixed. It's kind of fixed, and it's way better than it was before. So thanks to a great team, we did it in a week. So the next step is to rebuild the floor and also the ceiling. There needs to be some insulation or dampening stuff in between. I don't know anything about it. I will do some research and we'll work on this at some later time, but for now I'm happy. This is a great foundation. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying this teamwork, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.